start. Come on, get in the car.
You are so clumsy. Guys, Alex Bismangle here with my girlfriend, Monica. She's very shy. And today we're going all the way up there on an adventure through the bush. So hopefully we don't get like lost or anything. But my dad's driving, so we shouldn't get lost. That it would have been a disaster if my dad wasn't driving.
Like a little creek.
Probably would have got lost. It's all polluted though. Yuck. Yuck. Oh. Okay then.
Oh, Baba, there's a baby one.
Oh, what? Oh, little cow! Oh, that's so small. Moo.
Aw, you baby.
That's so rocky. So cute. That's actually drinking out of the other. Ah. Hey Bubba. We are at the Skywalk now, up at the Bird Gardens, and here's Nikita.
Hello.
Sorry I'm not showing my face, but my camera is totally cracked, so I can't really film anything facing my way because it looks horrible. So for this whole time, I'm just gonna film this way, but
Don't film my backside.
okay, I film this beautiful face here.
Ew, no.
Or I film this beautiful face here. Nikita's not camera shy. What's it like in there, Katie? Ooh!
You could like climb all the way to the top.
If you were brave enough,
I am. Look, I'll do it.
you'd probably fall down.
I won't because I slip.
I don't want to go in there, I'll probably get stuck. Oh, wait, I'm filming my face. Oh no. We have to be safe, and we can't go on with the others because it says 6 people per spare or span.
Oh, sorry.
Or the bridge might fall down. And Monica wants me to grab her hand so she doesn't fall down. Oh.
Wait.
Alright, Kitty, go. Don't worry now.
Go, Kitty.
Come on.
Do we go too?
Yeah, let's keep going. See? We're gonna get higher and higher and higher. I remember when I was little. Kitty, don't bounce!
I'm running.
Okay, so I remember when I was younger, I did like a little vlog here when I was like 6, and apparently I was doing things, I don't know, but I was being a little vlogger.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't drop that because we can't get it if it drops.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like I just dropped the bottle cap for the water over there.
What?
I dropped the bottle cap for the water. See, look, it gets even higher.
Whoa.
It's really pretty. Wrong way down, so I better not drop my phone. That'd be a very bad idea. We're up now and someone's walking the bridge, aka Dylan. Hey, Nikita. Come on, then. Come to me. Come on.
How high is this so far?
Very high. We're up at the top of the trees. Almost. Alright, it's very wobbly, so be careful. You'd probably die if you fell down there.
Break your neck.
Alright. We're safe. Alright. Whoa! What are you doing, Dylan?
I'm gonna face you. Oh my god!
See, boy.
Hi.
We are very high. Not for people who are afraid of heights.
I am.
You said you weren't.
I'm joking.
Oh, my finger was in the way. Shit. Very nice.
Come on, KK.
I'm coming. Just taking a shot.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, we're almost down now.
Oh.
We're gonna go up the big tree. Maybe if there's not people there.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun.
People are
It's really bouncy. This bridge is apparently very old. So I'm not afraid. Well, I'm surprised it hasn't fallen down yet.
We're going down now.
Yeah, we'll come back up maybe. We're gonna climb the big tree if you want to.
Lemonade frozen, babe.
Nice. Well, we had a walk, but the bird guardings was bird guardings. Well, that was a little underwhelming. Cutie. That was a little underwhelming, but we had a nice walk up on the treetops. It was very hot, but there was a lot of tourists here, so that made it really bad, I guess. But it wasn't bad. It was just a bit too busy for me. Now take a look at this cutie.
Ew. Ew. No. Ew.
Oh, Baba, you're beautiful.
No.